We're gonna be playing Don't Press the Button. And this game is honestly pretty and I just found it and now I wanna play it right now. So we'll see what this game is about and I'm gonna go start to play it. Okay, let's go start and play it. Let's just wait. Okay, now you can play. Alright guys, we get ready to push each other off with the what is that? What does that do? Oh, guys. Uh Dude, wait. Dude, stop the music. The music is copyright. God, this is where you can't like move your face. You can't move the camera. The camera is the glitch. Oh, I still won, but I died. Wait, who's that? Wait, let's see. Okay, there's no music, luckily. Dude, this guy, dude, can this? This is Baldi Basic. Well, I don't know what happened to the game. The game used to be popular. Now it's like dead. I don't know what happened, but I have no idea what that was. A diamond's in the cave. Collect it before anyone else does. Wait. It's a maze. Why did I go here? I don't know why I went here. Sir, do you know where you're going? I don't think you know where you're going. I got it! Wow, on the first try. I didn't even know the maze. Cake? The cake is a lie. Oh. Get ready to play dodgeball. Your goal is to limit the wait, I can't read it. All you do. Don't get hit, my team. I died. And he died. Oh, he died. The red team won. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Bacon. That was really nice. Not even coming. Okay, the music's copyright. Stop. Okay, let's go up. No, stop. Okay, let's go. Okay, get up, and then we go up here, and then this guy better not kill us, please. I'm begging for mercy. Stop. Well, it didn't come. We'll survive. Give me the coin. Thank you. Score go with the soccer ball. Wait. Guys, can you guys move? Wait, I don't even know what team I want. I don't know what team. I don't know if I'm from this one or this one. Let's just do that. Dude. Guys. Stop. Guys, let me put the ball on this. Let me put the ball. No, on the ball. The soccer. Let me put the soccer in the goal. No one scored. Yeah, no one scored. Yep. Okay. What? Gifts will start falling from above. Catch them and place them on the correct conveyor belt. Wait. Oh, wait. Where's your music? Actually, dude, stop. Okay, I'm really horrible at this game, bro. I only have 2 presents. And it's glitching. I'm not touching it, but it's... Oh my gosh. Dude, get in. Get in. Okay, touch it. Yeah, I was not gonna win either way. I probably gonna lose either way. Yeah. Oh, it's lagging a bit. Ooh. Ooh. God, I'm scared. Dude, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. You're disconnected from voice chat. I know that. I'm in a game. Ooh. 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 My gosh. Stop. It's going too fast. Dude, stop. 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 Dude, I'm scared. Ah! I died. Oh my god. I can leave anyway. Hi. Don't put it on me. You have a blocks 1, 2, 4, 5. That is a long number name. Can you finish the maze before it disappears? Okay. Actually, I'm not gonna follow them because what if they're leading to the wrong way? You never know. Actually, no. I am gonna follow them because they're going the wrong way. Yep, I hear someone found them. I hear it, but here? I don't know who went the wrong. What is that noise? I hear it, but I don't see it. Oh, the stair. Hello, teammates. Look at me. Yeah. Wait, let me look in the shop. We could buy. Oh, dude, these cars so expensive. Why? Girl, stop. Okay, can you stop? Thank you. A lever is hidden somewhere in the bushes. Find it and pull it to open the temple door. Wait, no, all to open the temple door. Okay, wait, where is it? Oh, it's open. Hey! I opened it! I got treasure! I got 10 coins. I mean, that's honestly better than nothing. No, it's a little bit better. Dude, can that girl stop using that thing to, like, troll people? Everyone managed to get to the chest. Dude, this girl is using her little trolley thing. I don't know what that is. Oh, wait. How do you even get to do it, you guys? How do you even get to do it? That was fast. Yes, okay, click that. Try walking the correct path to the end. Whoa! I already died. Oh, you can't jump. Oh, they literally lied to you. Can you go here? Oh, you go here. You go here. You go here. Yeah, pick. Oh, you just go here. Never mind, you can't go there. The end was reached. Good job. At least you have 5 coins. Oh wait, that girl has a sword. Avoid them until the round ends. I'm staying in this corner. I'm not going there. You guys are obviously dead. I'm safe. Okay. Don't fall in. Wait, he gets to stay. We get to run. Wait, what? No. Oh my gosh. Wait, is there music? I'm gonna see. There's music, but it's copyright. Dude, come on. Come on. Oh, wait, you can't go farther. This is the farthest you could go. Okay. Wait, you die? Wait, how did you die? Oh, you die. Wait, what? How did he die? I don't know. Did he reset? Dude, I'm so scared. Stop. Dude, go. Go! Yes. We gotta do it. Okay, okay. click the button. Get ready to dodge lasers. Stay. Wait, I didn't get to read it. Wait, what? Stay away from red platform. Wait. Oh. Wait, what? Don't go there. Oh my gosh. Ah! I'll stay in the middle. I'll stay in the middle. That's smart. She died. Oh! It's going too fast. It's going too fast. It's going too fast. Ah! 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 I survived! Yes! Okay, that was hard. I was trying to get hard. Wait, has hot potato? Don't let them get to you. Don't pass it to me, girl. Get away from me. Oh, she exploded. Okay, right to the end. Only three people can make it. Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my gosh! Dude, don't I died. Yeah, everyone basically just died. Oh! I died. Oh my gosh. Guys, stop. That makes you slow down. How am I gonna die? Yeah, they win either way. I lost. Okay, next button. Okay. Oh, don't fall in. Don't fall in, okay. Wait, how do you guys keep... How do you keep going there? I can't... Oh wait, how when you die? Okay, don't fall in. Don't fall in. So I'll just fall in. How do you guys fall? Come on. Stop, stop. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fall. Don't fall in. Don't fall in, don't fall in. Yes. Alright, next button. Whoa. Wow, this looks beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. That looks wonderful. Just stop doing that. Dude, that girl is so annoying. Press the button. Wait, we did this again. We're doing this again? Well, I think this would be a good time to end the video. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to like, comment, which is optional, or subscribe. You know, it'll really help me a lot and really make my day. And why are we doing this? Why are we doing this again? Alright, well, before we end the video, this is the last one. Come on. Oh my gosh, please don't hit me, please. Please don't hit me. Don't hit me. I don't know, dude. I'm scared I'm gonna die again. Please. Okay, this is the last one before we end the video. Just make sure to subscribe and comment if you want to, and like this video if you want to too. You know, just make sure we don't die. You know, I don't want to die. You know. No, no. Oh my gosh, me and this guy look that. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys later, and goodbye. And I don't know what they're doing. What is this? Pull a lever? Wait, what? Yeah, let's pull a lever. Wait, what? And we died. Well, we died, and we're falling in, and, well, it looks like you'll never see us in this game. Well, I'll see you guys later, so goodbye, guys.